Shankar Das has been arrested under the POCSO Act in connection with the alleged attempted rape and poisoning of a minor girl in the Rajnagar area of Agartala. The victim is currently undergoing treatment at GV Hospital and is reported to be in critical condition. The incident came to light on Friday afternoon when the minor, a resident of the Rajnagar area, was found in a distressed state inside an abandoned house in Rajnagar. She was immediately rushed to GV Hospital. According to the victim's statement to her mother, Shankar thus allegedly lured her into the abandoned house and forcibly attempted to rape her. When he failed in his attempt, thus reportedly forced the minor to ingest poison. Following the girl's alarming statement, her family lodged a formal complaint against Shankar Das at the West Agartala Women's Police Station under the POCSO Act. The officer in charge of the West Agartala Women's Police Station stated that Shankar Das was absconding since the case was filed. However, a coordinated effort by the police led to his eventual capture. In the late hours of Friday, a team comprising the West District Superintendent of Police, the Additional Superintendent of Police, the Sub-Divisional Police Officer and police personnel from the Amtoli Police Station successfully apprehended Das from the Circuit Court area.
Actually, রাজনগর এলাকা থেকে আমাদের এখানে একটা পক্সোর কমপ্লেন এসেছিল। তো সেই মোতাবেক আমরা ওই মামলাটাতে একজন আসামিকে যে কমপ্লেন দিয়েছিল, যার নামে দিয়েছিল, ওনাকে আমরা কালকে মিডনাইটে অ্যারেস্ট করেছি শেখের কোর্ট এলাকা থেকে। ঘটনার পর সে পলাতক ছিল। পরবর্তী সময়ে আমরা আমতলী থানার সহযোগিতা এবং আমাদের এসপি স্যার, আমাদের এডিশনাল স্যার এবং এসডিপো স্যারের গাইডেন্সে আমরা তাকে অ্যারেস্ট করতে সক্ষম হয়েছি। ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে। মেয়েটি এখনও হসপিটালে অ্যাডমিট আছে, জিবি হসপিটালে। তো চলছে, আমরা এফএসএল টিম নিয়ে ভিজিট করেছি ওইখানে এবং ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে। হ্যাঁ, আজকে কোর্টে পাঠানো হবে।
As part of the ongoing investigation, forensic experts were taken to the scene of the crime to collect evidence. They have since gathered samples from the abandoned house. Police from the West Agartala Women's Police Station presented the arrested accused, Shankar Das, before the court on Saturday. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.